So the ICA involves students going into an allocated GP practice on a Thursday morning in pairs and developing a caseload of patients who have single or multiple comorbidities relevant to the conditions that you would normally learn in Year 5. Those patients are followed up in both primary and secondary care for the entire year. Tutorials give students an opportunity to discuss with their peers about interesting cases, to be involved in student-led learning, and also to hear from experienced consultant tutors in each of the Year 5 firms.
In the traditional course, you see how a patient presents, you see their management plan, and then you probably never see them again. In the ICA, you'd get a similar experience on firms. But during the once a week in your GP, you'd see how things change for a patient over the course of the year in terms of disease progression. You'd see how the management plan affects their lives, and you get to have a broader view of their care, really.
And I have a purpose when I go in and see my patients, and I think that's the big thing, is I do feel like they're my patients, so I've taken the responsibility for them. That it's so much more fun and enjoyable. No longer am I the medical student at the back of the ward round or the corner of the clinic.
And I've found that they've been very self-motivated, very independent. I've given them a caseload of patients, and then they've contacted the patients, they've arranged to meet them, they've arranged to go to hospital appointments with them, and I've felt that they've definitely needed less supervision than other students I've had. They've also developed relationships with patients. They've been patient advocates and helping them with navigate the NHS, navigate the system, navigate the outpatient appointment system. They've also, because they've had more time with patients, they've been able to add to the clinical picture. They've managed to get information off patients that the patients hadn't told me, and they've also been able to take an overall view of complex patients with difficult issues who I've been struggling to manage and to find a unifying diagnosis for. I've really enjoyed having them. They've helped the patient experience, and they've also helped me clinically manage my difficult patient.
Hello, I'm so glad that you're thinking about doing an ICA. For us, it's a really important project. It's helping us understand how we can teach clinical medicine in a different, more effective way in the future. And while I think you're going to enjoy this innovative project just because it is what it is, in doing it, you're helping the medical school think about a whole new way of doing medicine. So in a sense, you're a pioneer for a new medical course. So I really hope you choose to do this, and good luck.